What's up, you guys? Hope you're having a great day. Today has been a good trading day for me. I know not every day is the same, but yeah, this trade I've actually been looking at it for a while, not a while, but a few days, and it's more of like I'm gonna remove from here because I don't want anyone to see my account number with Take Profit, but you can see my entry right there. I don't want to show some stuff, but. Um, I traded both micro gold and then just gold in itself, and I'm trading futures as well. And I'll explain it on this screen right here. Also, there's no news today. Actually, there is some news today, except it's just what Trump tweeted. Anyways, but not on my FX books and stuff like that. Anyways, just to explain my trade or what I did on this trade. It's pretty simple, to be honest. If I can zoom out, so this blue lines are where I want to buy and the red lines are where I would like to sell usually, right? And I just have that marked out. So as we can see, anytime the market would come down to either this line or this line, it would make a reversal, right? So as you can see here, from here, it made a reversal before here. It might be even for a little bit, but it made a reversal here. It did it right here. It's done it a little bit here. Not anywhere here, but at least these two are like the closest ones that I know. And it also looks like an inverse head and shoulder. So I saw that this weekend. Today is Monday, July 7th, and I was like, shoot, like, you know what? Maybe I should just try it. Honestly, like, I looked at this trade even at this time. Like, I saw this wick happening, and hi kids. Hold on. Anyways, I saw this trade happening on what is it? On micro gold, I actually entered right here, and on gold itself, I guess I don't know if you'd say mini gold, but I think I got in somewhere around here, and I just held. And it wasn't really like, I just realized it was so nice how gold flows when it goes up. It goes up like slowly, at least in this case. And I was like, shoot, like, I really like this. Like, I barely went into any drawdown. Like, I had a small drawdown and that was it, and it's just been going up. And I think, like, for me, what I struggled the most, like, was holding this trade, because I'm like, okay, I don't know gold like that. I usually don't trade gold. I usually trade NASDAQ, either MNQ or NQ, and as you've seen, I'm sure today, NQ has been terrible. Like, it's been like terrible, and like, I'm like, how can I go inside a chopping market today? Even though ES has been going pretty well, or even like YM has been going pretty well too, but I don't know, my eyes have been on gold and it hasn't failed me today, and I'm glad. I just love this inverse head and shoulder, right there and then right there. And I'm glad I got into this trade. And I guess psychology wise, I know, like, the most important thing in trading is psychology. So like, I think psychology wise, I would say I just had to hold. That was it. Like, of course there were thoughts, and I was thinking, oh wow, like, look at this. Like, imagine, right? You're seeing only that. Like, all you can think there is like, oh my gosh, what if there's like a wick, all the way that goes down? Like, because coming from NASDAQ, trading NASDAQ, it does that, right? And like, I just had to trust gold, and I just had to let it ride up. And I'm glad I didn't sell. I'm glad I'm still in profit. And yeah, like, I'm glad I stayed. I stayed in the trade. There it is, and I'm holding. I'm hoping to see, like, I don't know if the market is gonna make it to that, red line that I have up there, because whenever you buy from here, usually it goes at least to that level right there. So I'm hoping to see it will go there. If not, it really doesn't matter to me, because it's still a good day, and I can easily close out of this trade. But it's just good to see, like, there's a good, I guess, a good trading instrument like gold, that I can just, I can depend on my technical without having too much fear. I mean, I don't know how it is usually, but it looks like, when it does go up, and I also saw this leg, and I was like, shoot, like this joint is going up, right? And I just have to trust the process, and like you don't see anything, any wick down or anything, like it just goes up. So yeah, we'll see how this trade goes. I think it really looks like it's going to touch my take profit, and I hope it does. And yeah, this is a great trade. And come back tomorrow. We're gonna come back tomorrow and see how the day goes. But we always, one thing I've learned with trading is like, today is not tomorrow, and yesterday is not today. There's no similar day in trading. Like, anything can happen, and I traded this with that expectation. Oh my gosh, my kids are screaming. But I traded this with that expectation, and it worked out. So this is an A+ trading. I mean, an A+ setup for me, and it was a good trade as well.